Interesting. He'd poke out that far.
Hey,
Thick Marco D!
what? Really? Yeah. Sorry, I'm doing a lot of drugs earlier today.
When I find him, I will be sure to get him on camera.
Hey, how are you boys? Pretty good. What you up to? Playing a bit of pool. Hey, do you want to try something?
Oh yeah, mate, I'll have a go.
No worries, I was only joking anyway. That's okay.
You're alright, you're sitting back. But of course, why don't we meet our Pink Windmill Kids?
Nah mate, I've got enough troubles in my life, I don't want to add drugs to it.
Hi, my name's Katrina. And my name is Hugh. I'm Sarah. I'm Emma. And I'm Joan to you. Hello, my name is Spencer. And my name is Lorraine. I'm Anthony. I'm Debbie. And my name is Anthony. Everyone, you meet the children in the street. I'll sway to the rhythm. There's something moving in 'em. There's no place to hide, so why even try? Can't you hear it coming your way? Easy to say. Music in our wall. Music. When we talk, it's really something magic. To lose it would be tragic. Can't you feel the sound moving through the ground? Music makes the world go round.
I'm a bit tired, I might not go out after the party.
She had to change her shoes.
Oh my god, so funny! So funny!
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay guys, let's lock and load. I'll stay mid to make sure we don't lose. I have the weapons, I know what to do. You guys flank left, Gary 16, you're such a noob. You guys flank left, Gary 16, you're such a noob. You guys flank left, Gary 16, you're such a noob. You guys flank left, Gary 16, you're such a noob. You guys flank left, Gary 16, you're such a noob. Mom, what the goose? It's not bedtime. I've just started a game, I will be finished by 9. Now 10 to 12, the game's nearly won. The internet flicks off, my reputation has gone. I skate, I collect cards, computer games every day, get called a hipster by the kids at my school, and I tell them to go away. But it doesn't matter to me because I have lots of friends online, and I have a hell of a time playing indie games. It's fun being a geek.
Hey ladies, do you want to smoke some weed with me?
Vlog specific camera, which is really cool. Wind muff, which flicks round, which just makes it really handy. Obviously when I'm pointing it towards myself, It's got technology built into it. So, I don't know. I'm trying to push out. Anyway. I don't really like polystyrene.
If you think someone's overdosed, put them in the recovery position and call 000.
It's something about the girl that just makes my head wanna twirl. Oh, you got me, want to tell all them other girls. There's nothing else better on this world. The moment I seen her,
Oh, I want to be an actor. How I remember my lines of fun Steiner.
What's wrong with me? What? Why?
Hey everybody, it's summertime. Summer vacation is here. Gonna ride my bike, gonna go somewhere. It's my favorite time of year.
It's summertime, isn't it great? It's summertime when everything's great.
See all the birds in the sky. Time to hit the pool. Watch the people pass by. It's my favorite time of year. It's summertime, and isn't it great? It's summertime when everything's great. Cause I'm free to be just what I wanna be. Cause I'm free to be just what I wanna be. In the summertime. Everything is just so fine. It's summertime.
Going on.
And isn't it great? It's summertime when
Going on.
everything's great. Nothing is hard. It's my favorite time of year.
It's summertime, and isn't it great?
It's summertime and everything's great.
Going to the beach, oh yeah. I got my swimsuit on. I don't have a care. It's my favorite time of year.
It's summertime and isn't it great? It's summertime when everything's great. Cause
I don't need that stuff. I play video games to escape my reality.
No way.
Take 3.
What's going on?
cows.
Thanks, mate.
Do you want some weed?
It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful day. Let's go outside and play. Got the water balloons. Got the lays.
Yeah.
Got the bubbles.
Yep. Then we're A-okay. Let's go outside and play. Walk, walk, walk. Skip, skip, skip. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Oh, yeah. Walk, walk, walk. Skip, skip, skip. Tickle. Oh, yeah.
I'm hooking up with my gals. Now listen up, I'm with my pals. Pals. This song ain't no joke. Cause we're all so stoked. Being with my friends is just the prize. On a day with no flies. We like to have fun outside when the sun's nice and high. So get your cheeks off the seat and let your body take the beat.
Walk, walk, walk. Skip, skip, skip. Tickle. Walk, walk, walk. Skip, skip, skip. Tickle. Yeah. Yo, I'm John, and that's my name. And I'm the boss of the song. I like to talk.
Hey babe, can't wait for the party tonight.
Do you ever think of your great friends, mates, parents, brothers, sisters?
No to drugs! Hey, are you going to sing?
Yeah, but it's not a song.